To add a new property, select the Add New Property option in the main dashboard's Properties section. On the Property Registration page, choose the property type and provide the property address. Once you've entered this information, click Add New Property to move to the Property Information page. Here, you'll be prompted to provide additional details about the property, including its type, lot and property size, pool security, and vacancy status. You can also upload a primary property image by clicking the Browse button and dragging and dropping the image file onto the page. If you have additional images or files to upload, you can add them to the main gallery by clicking the Browse Files or Drag and Drop Here button and selecting the photos from your device. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and uploaded photos, click the Save button to add the property to your account. To view your newly added property, scroll down to the Properties section on your main dashboard and click Search to bring up a list of all your properties.